Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. In the previous weeks, we had focused our energy on genres like travelogue, novel, essay, and we read a short story by R.K. Narayan in the last classes. This week's classes will focus on the evolution of Indian English poetry. So we start by looking at writings by William Jones, a very unlikely figure who is not situated as one of the pioneers of Indian English writing, but his writings on India are interesting and important to look at when we are thinking about the origins of Indian English poetry. From there, we look at works of Henry Derozio and Toru Dutt, especially Dutt's works like Sita and Casaurina Tree, which are much anthologized now. After the discussion on Dutt, we all move to examine Sarojini Naidu's poetry and how the Indian nation is imagined in her work. From Naidu, the next poet that we turn our attention to is Nissim Ezekiel. Through Ezekiel, we get to understand the Bombay poetry scene and the rise of what we now call as Bombay poets, but also to look at the figure of Nissim Ezekiel himself and the complex oeuvre that he has left behind. He's mostly known for his poems, humorous poems like Goodbye Party to Miss Pushpa T.S. We'll also discuss poems like Philosophy, which bring out a very different Ezekiel than the one that we know of.